Hi everyone, welcome to BeeCreative Mobile Apps video tutorial series. This is video number 1, full platform overview. In this video, we're going to discuss the basics of the BeeCreative Mobile Apps dashboard, how to navigate through it, and what the different sections do. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you get your login and password from BeeCreative Mobile Apps, you're going to want to sign in to the BeeCreative dashboard. Whenever you're done inside the dashboard, you'll always want to log out, which is right here. Go ahead and show you that. And then you can always sign back in right here at the sign in page. Okay, so the first page you come to is the home page. This is going to be where you land every time you open up the dashboard. You have a tab here called Messages. If you click on this, you'll be sent to the push notification pop-up window, which will allow you to send push notifications to the home screens of all your downloaded users. The Analytics tab here, if you click on that, you'll get thorough download analytics and user analytics. I highly recommend checking in with this at least once a week, at least once a month. Here on the help desk, this is detailed information about how to do basically anything inside the app. If you have a question that's not answered with the tutorial videos, just go to the help desk, type in your question, hit enter, and you'll get multiple answers with screenshots and step-by-step instructions. In the account section here, you can change your password, and you can also change your account information. Now down here, we have 3 sections: functionality, content, and appearance. We also have a pop-out slider here. Now this is a preview pane. Anytime you make changes or you're adding or removing content inside your app on the dashboard here, if you want to, you can come over here to the preview pane and you can just refresh that preview anytime and see the changes that you've made. So I'm going to go ahead and slide that back in, and we're going to talk about functionality here. This is the first step. What you're going to do here in functionality is be able to add and remove tabs. Now the tabs are the little icons that you see on the front of your app. And once this pops up, I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you're not familiar with a tab or an app tab, it's these right down here. So as you can see, first tab we have here is directions, and it shows up as directions right here. Now from the functionality section, we can add a new tab, which essentially adds a new function into our app, or we can edit or remove active tabs that are already here. So say for instance the direction view tab. If we had no use for that anymore and we didn't want it showing up on the front page of our app or anywhere in our app, just click this green slider. It slides over here to the inactive tabs list right here, and then when we refresh this app preview, you'll notice that the first icon that pops up is no longer directions. It's the Contact Us tab. So that essentially completely removes instantly that tab off the home page of the app whenever anybody, any of your users, opens up the app or refreshes the app the next time. Right, so the functionality section again is where you can add and remove tabs and also make them active or inactive. If you want to make this active again, just click the slider and it automatically becomes active over here. The next time you open the app, you'll see the directions tab again. Now here in the content section, this is where you're going to add content to the functions and the tabs that you have up there. So for instance, the Contact Us page. Right? Once you load that up there, it'll be on the app right here where it says Contact Us, but you need to put that information in. So you're going to add the content, your address, your website, your email, your telephone. You can put GPS directions right here. You can put some icons, some images of your business, and then you save your changes, and all that content would now pop up in the Contact Us tab. Currently right now, the Contact Us tab doesn't have very much information in it. We don't want to share our location. There's nothing found because, as you can see, there's no content here. So once you add the content into the content section of each one of these individual tabs, then you'll be able to see that content over here in your preview. So that's the content section. Now the last thing I want to talk about today in this particular video is the appearance section. This is where you're going to be able to add background images, and you're also going to be able to adjust the appearance, the colors, the fonts, the layout, the icon colors, all that good stuff. Now you can do that specifically for the home screen here, and you can also select global styles. And when you make the changes here, it'll also show up in the preview over here to see what those colors and font options look like. Now if you want to change background images, just select background images up there. Choose whichever background image you want. Choose the tab that you want to assign it to. and then hit save. And now that specific background will be added, and you'll see that it's now assigned to the home background, which is where I was just doing it right there. Alright, so push notifications here, analytics here, help desk here, account information, add and remove tabs, add content to each individual tab, and adjust the appearance of your home screen and the individual app tabs. Also, you can adjust the appearance of the global styles here. So that's it in a nutshell. A quick walkthrough of the BeeCreative mobile apps dashboard. Now, if you need more specific information about what each thing does and what the individual tabs do themselves, please look at the tutorial videos on our website. You can also check out the help desk and just type in the name of the tab or the name of the function that you're interested in, and you'll get detailed information with screenshots and step-by-step instructions on how to install and adjust content. All right, thank you very much. Talk to you soon.